Why I come to Growth Club is pretty simple actually, accountability. I absolutely need it in my business and in my life in general, but certainly when it comes to Growth Club, it gives me a set of parameters to work within to make sure that everything I want to do over the next 3 months is on paper, in my computer and in front of me in my office. The kinds of people I would probably recommend Growth Club to are small to medium-sized business owners. I feel anybody that doesn't have a huge abundance of mentors in their business, and let's face it, that's most of us, unless we're working in a corporate environment. Like I say, it can be a really lonely existence in business. So having those people you can turn to on a regular basis every 3 months is really vital.